Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this unit that I'm rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah. Feels like an ocean. The way you're touching me must be emotion. The way it's meant to be, all the emotion spinning in my head, feels like an ocean. Baby, there ain't nobody like you. No, it's true. Could do the things you do just like you. Baby, there ain't nobody like you. Do you feel the same? Cause I got high hopes. Do you want the same? Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? Cause I got high hopes. Okay divas, so now that you guys have seen all the details and the specs on this unit, I am here to tell you guys how I feel about it, so let's just jump right in. Okay divas, so today we have a unit by Sensational. So today we have one from their Vice collection. This is in Vice Unit 10 and I have it in the color LT27/1. okay, and this is the color. So I did take a poll on YouTube. You guys are kind of all over the place with the color, so I was like, I'm just gonna get the color with the stock card model because the person actually said that as well. So, or not the, no, this is not the color on the stock card model. I think this one is the 613, but that was not available. But I was like, I need to hurry up and get a color before it sells out. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the claims about this unit and how I feel about it. So we're gonna go down the list of the claims, and while we do that, I'm gonna tell you guys like pretty much how I feel. So we're gonna open her up in case you want to know where the claims are. Here on this particular unit, it is on the inside. And it says features at the top. So it says that it is HD lace, and I do believe that this is HD lace because it's really thin, and it pretty much like will melt into your skin once you put your right foundation color or your spray or whatever you use. So that claim is true. It says pre-plucked hairline. That's where I don't know. So the hairline is pre-plucked a little bit, but it's on the dense side, and I don't have this glued down or anything because it wasn't necessary in my personal opinion. But for me, I feel like it's pre-plucked in a minimal way, if that makes sense. So like if you want the super pre-plucked looks that Sensational normally like delivers with like their What Lace collection, I feel like you will have to go in and pluck it a little bit more. But for me, with this unit, I don't have a problem that it's not that plucked, because it does have like, it has a part and it's not like a frontal unit, so I don't have a problem with that. But for me, in my personal opinion, I don't think that it's like super pre-plucked. It says that it has baby hair, and this unit does have baby hair. I did not choose to utilize them because I wanted to be able to shift the unit so that I could show you guys like different ways that it can be worn, especially because I was not feeling the middle part particularly on me today. So yeah, that's why I didn't glue it down. It says that it has a deeper hairline, which it does, because you can go in and kind of like correct the part and everything. I didn't feel it was necessary because this part is blonde, so you can't really see it. All I did was went in and added my foundation. So, but you do have the option to like kind of straighten up your parts, which is always good, because, or you may even want to do like a different type of part or like a C-shaped part or whatever. So I always like that versatility. So that feature is also true. It says that it has ear to ear, and it has a 5-inch deep hand tie parting area, which is true. So it's from here to here, which is a true 5 inches. So Yeah, I do really like that. Also wanted to include that they do have other specialty colors. Today I'm rocking a specialty color as well, and they also have natural colors as well. So let's go ahead and talk about the cap construction. The cap construction is average head friendly. I do fall on the larger sides of heads, so I do have a larger size head, and the wig is fitting me comfortable. I don't feel like it's too confined to my head or anything, so that's really good. And I do have the adjustable straps tightened, not super tight because you know I got a big head, so they're not super tight, but I did tighten them a little bit just to ensure that my wig sits in place, because I did not put any adhesive or anything like that. You also have the option to go ahead and do that, but like I said, like I wasn't really sure where I wanted to wear my wig today, so that's why I just went ahead and just chose to do it glueless, which is good because this could be like a throw on and go. Like if this was like a natural color, like I could definitely see myself like just putting this on for like an everyday unit. So as far as the lace and everything, we already talked about that. As far as the security measures, it does come with your standard cap construction, which is 2 combs in the front as well as a comb in the back with the adjustable straps, which I think is good. It's a really good security method. I myself personally do not use the combs, but if you do, they are there for your option for you to use them. As far as shedding and tangling, I did experience shedding, not so much tangling. I did experience some tangling. I just went in with my wig control spray and my paddle brush and I was good to go, but I did experience some shedding, and I'm guessing that's because of this color. And yeah, I got a little bit more than I'm used to, and I really do think that is because of this blonde color. Usually lighter colors, whether the unit is synthetic or human hair, you will get more shedding depending. So yeah, I was already expecting that. But as far as like tangling, I got very minimal tangling, which was really good. As far as the density on this is definitely a natural density. This is all the hair to the front, okay? So she's not giving like super full. I feel like she is the bare minimum of like what you can put on a wig, if that makes any sense. Okay, so she's not super full, and then she's not thin. She's like right there at the bare minimum before you're like, oh, it's too thin, you know. So yeah, that's how the density is. I also really do like the ends. The ends look really healthy. That is important to me, especially when the unit has like a more natural density, because if the ends are looking like very raggedy, or like, I don't know, I need to find a better word. If the ends are looking just very split and just not well put together, it's just not gonna look good. So yeah, I'm happy that the ends look really good. As far as the style go, I feel like it's just like some very loose barrel curls, and then they got brushed out. Is it giving? I think it does give what the stock car model gives, so I'm not gonna say that it doesn't look the same, and especially because I changed the part. But it's not like a super like unit where you get those bombshell curls. It's just like a very basic curl. Like the curl is more towards like the bottom, which I don't mind at all. Like I said, this is definitely like one of those throw on and go like for every day or like for work or something. So how do I feel about this unit overall? I do think that she is pretty. I really do like this color. The only thing with me is like I like my units to be full, okay? Like for me, a full unit is okay for every day as well, okay? So I just like something that's teensy bit more full. So yeah, I'm gonna need something more full. But for all of you fabulous divas out there who are looking for like an everyday natural type of density unit, I feel like this would be perfect for you, especially if you got it in like a natural color. The density is so natural, and as you guys can see, sis is glueless, okay? And she looks good. I know she would look good in like a natural color as well. So overall, if you are okay with like all the things that I shared, I would definitely recommend this unit to you. You just have to, I don't know, like you just have to make a decision. Like, do you like, you know, a lower density unit that has like kind of like those loose barrel curls, which I think is really cute, like I said, for every day. But yeah, so overall I like her. I think she's cute. But for me, I just like something a little bit more full. So yeah, divas, that's pretty much it. If you guys are interested in this unit, if the link is available, I will have it in the description box below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out if you want this wig. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you guys did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you and know what you are thinking. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.